It's time for SPAMtember. Every year, Prepper Potpourri puts on SPAMtember during National Preparedness Month, and I absolutely have so much fun making a new recipe with Spam, a prepper staple. I need you to go actually check out all of the videos in this challenge so that you can be entered to win a giveaway that she is doing for a Spam slicer. All you have to do is comment on all the videos and you'll be entered in for the giveaway. Get that Spam slicer. A lot easier than doing it by hand with a knife, right? Gosh, I still need a Spam slicer. All these years of doing this and I still don't have one. Also, I'm sorry for any noise in the background. My kids are playing. I have the freeze dryer going, so I'm trying to talk, and so whatever. Things are going in this house. What are we doing today? We're doing Spam Waffles. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut up this Spam. You can use any Spam you want. I like to use the 25% less sodium. You can use the light Spam as well. And I'm making my life easier just by doing these protein pancake waffle mixes. I like these from Kodiak. This is a cinnamon oat one. I really like these Kodiak ones. So I'm just making my life a little easier today. You can absolutely make waffle mix from scratch. Let's go and do this. Get the Spam on a cutting board and chop it up. Chop it up good. Make your mix and make sure your waffle maker is going and it is ready. So what we're going to do now is put this in here as you would any other waffle. You can cook the Spam first if you wanted to. Mine takes a lot of batter, but you don't have to. I'm just gonna do it like this. Just place it in there. Boop, boop, boop. All right, here we go. You could also add cheese to this. I decided not to just because it was gonna be more on the sweet side with the cinnamon and oats and stuff, but you definitely could, like if you do just a regular waffle mix, add the cheese and the Spam, and oh, it'll be perfect. I think she's about done. Let's take a look. For the reveal. My waffle maker sometimes just takes forever sometimes. Like, and look, it was not too much. In fact, it wasn't enough to just get around the edges. Look at that, you can see the Spam, and it actually cooked up a little inside, so I didn't have to cook it separately in there. So look at that. If you know anything about me and my cooking, you know that I like easy, especially when it comes to Spam. It comes out of a can. We don't need to make things complicated. Here it is in all its glory. Ooh, super close up. Ooh. Come on, focus, focus. No? Okay. Of course, the middle piece is the most spammy piece, so I decided to grab this one for the taste test. All right, let's do this. Oh man, that adds like a whole new flavor to the waffles. That is so good. I honestly didn't know what to expect. I don't know why. I've made Spam monkey bread, and that was really good. That's savory and sweet. Spam peanut butter and jelly I've made. Again, that's savory and sweet. Good. This is very good. This is really filling too, okay? With that protein and then the extra protein that the Kodiak already offers. Plus, like, it has oats and cinnamon. It's just a power-packed meal right here. Really good. It's just that really nice balance. Highly recommend this. Really great breakfast. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to go comment on the videos for SPAMtember. The playlist is down below. And go check out Prepper Potpourri and everybody else doing this collaboration for SPAMtember. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Talk to you later. Bye. Bye.